Hey guys, welcome back to Fair Iron and Customs. I'm Michael, and today we're recording on the GoPro. How about that? So I'm hoping that the sound and everything's working out. Unfortunately, these are things you don't know until you get into it. So, for the last week or so, and guys, I gotta turn the fan on. Trying to run it, not run it. All right. For the last week or so, I've been kind of working on cleaning up the shop. If you can see behind me, I've taken down some of the stuff on the pegboard. What I wanted to do was put this organizer up for the lathe, the little Harbor Freight 30 bin wall mount parts rack. I'm not really happy with it, guys. This part, it was not on display in the store. The mount part is made out of plastic, so like I said, I'm not really happy with this, but we're just going to run it and see what happens. I do not like that. Okay, I did not like that. The screen went away. I guess it saves on battery. So what I'm going to do is, I think I'm going to throw y'all on time lapse here. I think I can do that with this camera, and we're going to finish tearing the rest of this stuff down, because what my intention is, I have two cabinets left over from, we did some work in the house, in the kitchen, in the pantry. I'm going to put one there and one there, but I'm going to put the little 12-inch tall ones at the top of the ceiling up here. So we're going to have to blow all this apart and run us some 2x4s to mount it with, because I don't think, we may get lucky and have the cabinets line up with the studs like they should, so we can get enough screws in them, but I'd rather run 2x4s, then we know we got something we can put a couple of 3 or 4 good screws in and ain't got to worry about nothing. So let's get after it. Okay guys, apparently I don't know how to turn slow motion on this camera, so let's get after it. We'll come in and out just like normal until I get things figured out. Guys, I don't remember if I made this on the channel or not, but I just made, this is just a little simple, something I made in the forge to hang these up with. We'll probably put it somewhere else. Okay guys, I'm gonna run two 2x4s at the top. Okay, so what I was saying was, I'm gonna run two 2x4s at the top that are going to be 12 inches from the top of, I'm going to run from the rafters down. That's where the cabinet's going to stop at the rafters. And the other 2x4, the bottom of it will be 12 inches below that, or probably actually not quite 12, because you got to make up for the bottom shelf. And then I got to do probably 2 more below that. But I'm going to run on the pegboard all the way down to the other end of the shop where the forge is, and then we'll come back. All right guys, now don't be getting no ideas from my saw horse here. Guys, this thing of me is about to get in a fight already, and it's brand new. So I cut out 2 4-foot pieces. I've already got the 2 on the wall, the 2 long 8-foot pieces. I got to put 4 more feet. Then I got to put 2 foot and 2 foot and 2 foot and 2 foot. So I need 4 more 2-foot pieces, and then we're gonna get into building a cabinet. All right, so what this is just your normal Lowe's Project Source cabinet, item number 5217 199. It's a 30 by 30 cabinet that's I think it's 12.5 inches deep, and it's just your normal put some pins in and screw it together kind of thing. I'm gonna get that knocked out, with the exception of the doors. I think I'm gonna paint the doors tonight. Of course, I won't have them finished in this video. I'll put them on tomorrow, the next day, whenever they've had time to dry. It seems like, and I haven't even checked the humidity, so I don't even know what the humidity is like today, but it seems like it might be okay to paint. It's dry this afternoon. We are the day, it's Friday, so yesterday was when the remnants of Hurricane Debbie came through, or Tropical Storm Debbie, or Tropical Depression by the time it got here. So let's get this thing put together and I'll come back. Okay guys, so I've gotten about as far as I'm gonna get tonight. I don't even remember where I left off. We did get all the 2x4s put up on the wall, and I did get one hung, and I think I'm gonna have to come back and drop it down. It is a little high. It doesn't matter because the rafter's different here than it is down in the rest of the shop, but I do kind of want them all the same level. Kind of didn't have to put all of those 2x4s up, or at least the bottom one and the top one on the ends, the way these cabinets are made. I forgot how they were made. We hung the ones in the house, I don't know, probably 6 months ago, or 3 or 4, 5 months, but you've only got this part right here on the top and the bottom that you can screw to the wall. So they're not heavy duty, but you know, it's going to help get some of the stuff up out of the shop. We got a long way to go. So I did go ahead, I'm trying to see what, and go ahead and paint the doors, and so we'll get those put on tomorrow. Unfortunately, I'm gonna end this video here, so it'll be ready to post on Sunday. Tomorrow I need to get my engine for my mower put back together, and we may do that for the Friday video. My goal now is to start doing 3 videos a week, just so I can try to keep myself a little more motivated to get my tail out here and get something done. And if I'm thinking about getting something done, I'm hoping that'll keep me motivated. Anyway, like and subscribe. And oh, before we get to that, so what Wednesday's video is going to be about, I'm going to do like try to do what's up, or what WTF Wednesday, or what the heck Wednesday, or something, kind of like Mike's at My Car Shop, kind of like his Talk About It Tuesday. I've already got a couple of topics that I want to you know, do as videos, and so I'm gonna kind of do something like that on Wednesdays. It'll be a fun video, kind of a talk about it. But that's all I got. Y'all like and subscribe. I'll see y'all on, I hope I'm gonna see y'all on Wednesday. As a matter of fact, I'll probably record that video tomorrow as well. And the rest of the week, we're gonna be out here trying to get the shop cleaned up.